What's up, my guys, gals, and non-binary pals? My name is Lyle, and I am here to audition for this James Charles Makeup Guru reality television show competition. I'm going to do something that you can wear out, but with a little flair. Let's just dive in. Here we go. First, we're going to moisturize the skin. I use Kiehl's because I'm a man. Next, we're going to use some primer. I'm going to open it. What we're going to start with is my eyebrows. I'm going to go in with the Anastasia Beverly Hills Brow Wiz in dark brown. Oh, gorgeous. I'm going to go in again with Anastasia. It's like a brow tint, just to give it a little more fullness. Now we're going to clean the brow with a little bit of concealer. I'll drag it right onto my actual lid. So I started playing with makeup when I was in Rock of Ages. I played a character that required a lot of makeup. I started doing drag about 6 years ago. From drag, I've just kind of morphed into just playing with makeup. The perception of makeup being drag related to just letting your imagination run free with makeup in general was a shift in my personal life. I thought I had a core group of friends that were there for me, and you know, they weren't. So I would just lose myself in just escaping via the makeup brush. I'm sure some of y'all can relate. I just started playing with different shapes, different colors. I started taking inspiration from a seashell on the beach to a butterfly flying around me. That's so gay. That's me. I'm gay, and I love it. When I am not painting my face or doing drag, I am a singer on a cruise ship. And I'm on a cruise ship right now, but you wouldn't know. You ever when you're doing makeup just go like this a million times, just looking at yourself like, okay, that crease is mother cut. Now we're gonna add a little glitter. This is MAC Dazzle Shadow Liquid. Oh my god, Miss Dazzle Shadow. Bitch! Growing up like a Jewish little boy, if I was ever caught wearing makeup as a kid, I remember specifically being scolded for trying to like cover up my acne. But now, it's empowering. Blend, darling, blend. Let's put some liner on. The eyes are the nipples of the face. Oh, so good. I started a YouTube series, and it's called Straight to Drag, where I take cisgender heterosexual males and I give them a drag makeover while we talk about embracing femininity to toxic masculinity to social constructs. And that's been really enlightening. It's been really lovely using makeup as a form of not only communication but connection, and the transformations are sickening, mama. Oh, I just got lost in the blending. Now I'm going to set the whole face. Let's warm it up with some contour. Little blush. Now we're going to do some highlight. Ooh. Ooh. Okay, the video can only be 5 minutes. Okay, let's get some eyeliner. Now let's smoke out the bottom line with maybe a lavender. I dig it. Let's do lips. Ooh. Bitch, that's pretty. Mustachio. I'm gonna give myself a little beauty mark of a paw print. Ooh. I'm gonna curl the lash. We're gonna curl the lash. Do I want to put a little white on the inner corner? Why not? Just to brighten it up. How are you doing? What is it about the lash that just makes the whole face? Okay, I think we're done. Well, this is the finished look. If you want to recreate it, tag me at Lyle C. Mackston, at James Charles, and tell him to put me on his reality show. Please vote for me. I would be so honored and pumped to be a part of this competition. I would love something like this reality show to challenge my imagination and put my skills to the test. Thank you guys for watching this video. Give me a little shout out, give me a follow, give me a like, give me a subscribe, and don't forget to check out Straight to Drag, which is dropping this week on YouTube. Thanks for watching.